Dartz, the audacious Latvian coach builder celebrated for its extravagant and armored vehicles, is preparing to make waves in the United States. Known for crafting some of the world's most luxurious SUVs, Dartz is venturing into one of the globe's most competitive automotive markets. In an exciting announcement, the company unveiled its plans to launch U.S. operations, with the iconic Prombron Black Stallion Type C leading the charge. To mark this monumental entry, Dartz made a grand statement by driving the Black Stallion Type C through the vibrant streets of Los Angeles, a city renowned for its love of the unique and luxurious. This bold debut strategically introduced Dartz to a region where the extraordinary and the opulent often intersect. Dartz has reportedly inked deals with multiple dealerships across the East and West Coasts, setting the stage for American customers to experience the Black Stallion Type C firsthand. Initially, these luxury SUVs will be imported from Latvia, but Dartz plans to establish local manufacturing facilities in Florida. This move is expected to open new doors for the brand while potentially mitigating tariffs that could affect the importation of high-end vehicles. The Prombron Black Stallion Type C exemplifies Dartz's flair for the extraordinary. It's not a ground-up build. Instead, it's constructed on the robust chassis of either a Hummer H2 or a Mercedes-Benz GLS, depending on the buyer's preference. This versatility allows Dartz to cater to diverse tastes while ensuring that each model retains the brand's hallmark of rugged luxury. Although official pricing details for the U.S. have not been disclosed, industry speculation suggests a starting price of around $500,000. This significant investment reflects the Black Stallion Type C's unparalleled appeal and luxurious offerings. For those seeking a vehicle that defies convention and exudes opulence, this price tag might just be justified. However, the Black Stallion Type C isn't the only Dartz model poised to enter the U.S. market. Dartz is also accepting pre-orders for the Prombron Iron Diamond CLV, an even more extravagant model based on the Lamborghini Urus. This extreme off-roader retains the Urus's formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, offering exhilarating performance in a package that's as bold as it is luxurious. With a staggering price tag of around $2.7 million, the Iron Diamond CLV is squarely aimed at the most discerning and affluent clientele. Dartz's decision to manufacture vehicles in the U.S. marks a significant milestone for the company. This expansion not only underscores Dartz's ambitions to broaden its market reach, but also reflects its commitment to adapting to new environments while preserving the distinctive character that sets it apart in the automotive world. The company's dedication to crafting vehicles that are both resilient and luxurious has cultivated a loyal following. As Dartz expands into the U.S., it is poised to attract a new audience that cherishes individuality and extravagance in their vehicles. Whether it's the commanding Black Stallion Type C or the ultra-exclusive Iron Diamond CLV, Dartz's lineup is set to make a significant impact in the American market. In conclusion, Dartz's foray into the U.S. with the Prombron Black Stallion Type C and the Prombron Iron Diamond CLV heralds a new era for the brand. By establishing local production and introducing its distinctive vehicles to American soil, Dartz is prepared to redefine the standards of luxury and exclusivity in the SUV segment.